This extensive JSCARES food storage set provides a full range of container sizes and shapes, making it easy to match leftovers, meal prep portions, and pantry staples without hunting for the right fit. The containers are made from food-safe plastic that can go in the refrigerator, freezer, microwave, and dishwasher, so daily use and cleanup stay simple and low effort. Well-designed locking lids with silicone seals clamp down firmly and create a dependable leak-resistant barrier that keeps soups, dressings, and cut fruit from spilling or picking up refrigerator odors. The stackable and nestable design helps these containers fit neatly in both cabinets and the refrigerator, freeing up valuable space instead of creating clutter. Thickened walls and reinforced bases give the containers a sturdier feel than many bargain sets, yet they remain light enough to pack for work lunches, picnics, and travel. Included labels and a marker make it straightforward to date and identify what is inside each container, which is especially helpful when you are rotating meals or freezing batches.